Hello friends, today's detail is a 2004 Chevy Silverado. It actually belongs to my daughter and it is nicknamed the Kid Hauler. So I'm going to detail the passenger side today and my daughter is going to detail the driver's side. Now, as I've told you in my previous video, she did dabble in detailing in the past, but she never really learned any of the techniques and so on and so forth. So I'm going to kind of talk her through some of that. And you'll see a video here in just a little bit where she is detailing the cockpit area, and I told her just focus on the details. I think she did pretty good, but what do you think? Anyway, I have to give props. This pickup is in much better shape than I expected, considering she is the mother of 5 boys. So you can just imagine the mess that 5 boys can make, and she's done pretty well with it, I have to admit. So anyway, we're going to get started. Like I said, you will see me on the passenger side, and then I will show clips of her on the driver's side. Okay, so Tori is going to detail this cockpit area. And I explained to her that your vehicle gets a really good deep clean when you focus on the details and take your time, because the speed comes later. So I told her just take her time and Pay attention to the little things. I think she did pretty good. But what do you think? and the vehicle is done. And I think it turned out pretty darn good considering. This is the driver's side. This was Tori's side. I think she did really good considering all she'd ever done is dabble in detailing and never had any real training or real practice or any real learning about it. But like I said, she just did a good job, I thought. And the product we used on the carpets was Zep. It's probably just an inexpensive treatment, but it's done really well, and it made those carpets really pop. I thought, hey, we can get rid of those stains. That's all that matters. You all know the struggle I've had. So anyway, I just want to thank my daughter Tori, and also thank you all for hanging out on my channel for a few minutes today. And if you'll take a minute to like and comment and subscribe, I would love to have you. And until the next video, we'll see you later.